Hi and welcome everybody. In this short video, I would like to briefly emphasize some of the learning objectives of this chapter, which presents some basic results and general process steps for an exemplary exploratory data analysis (EDA) project. Importantly, Python and some of its data analysis and visualization tools like the Pandas and Matplotlib libraries will be used in this project. So, what will you learn by working through this chapter? First, you will get a good understanding of how to use data analysis tools like visualizations and descriptive statistics to identify important characteristics of real-world datasets. A good understanding implies, for example, that you know which type of statistical plot you have to apply for a given kind of data. You will also get a general idea of how to create data-driven recommendations. Importantly, you will learn how to communicate insights effectively. By using the example of analyzing responses from the annual StackOverflow survey of the programming community, the chapter shows you how to present the analysis findings in a clear and compelling manner, making complex data-driven insights accessible to relevant stakeholders and decision makers. For example, you will be able to assess whether the survey provides a reasonably representative cross-section of the overall programming community. Finally, by working through this chapter, you will gain experience in asking and answering interesting questions about the data. Some examples are: does the programming community demonstrate room for increased diversity? Or does a majority of programmers hold college degrees? And what is the proportion of programmers that engage in part-time work or freelance opportunities? In sum, by focusing on descriptive statistics and insightful visualizations, and by asking and answering interesting and relevant data-driven questions, this chapter lays the ground for any serious exploratory data analysis. That's all for now. See you in the next video.